Let's see this low guy, bro. Crazy.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX. I know I've been taking 3-month breaks, and to be honest, I think it's worth it because today, me and Chen. Hey, what the? Why is he?
Hey, this guy vlogging. Hey, this guy vlogging. Hey,
what the?
This guy vlogging. Hey.
In this vlog, we're gonna be installing the RBC intake manifold on the RSX. I've done a lot of stuff while I was gone, as you can probably tell. Sheesh. But that's for another video. We bought some gaskets for everything.
I like it like this.
Hey, what? Hey, what is that, man? Hey, what is that, man?
Hey, if you guys want, we're gonna be selling these soon.
Yes.
Economy Brothers, you know how it is. Come on.
Hey, what y'all think with it? What y'all think? Sheesh.
You know what I'm saying?
10 bucks a
Kind
piece.
of basic. This is the first one. We're gonna work on the
yes.
everything.
But hopefully today it'll be smooth. The previous owner already cut the bracket off where the coolant hose was, so it should be a straightforward install. And yeah, let's get right into it. First we're gonna take off the PRB intake manifold, and then that should be it. So let's get started.
One bad bitch and she do what I say so. 2 big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Pull up a 4, now that's blueberry Faygo. 1 false move and we straight to shooting shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it go, baby. I got this whip parked right outside.
Out with the old, in with the new. Yes, sir. That shit hella dirty. Oh, hell no. And look at that. My car is peeping coolant. But yeah, what'd you think? Scale of 1 to 10, how hard was it?
It wasn't that bad, honestly.
It was just a stupid ass bolt right here. This stupid ass bolt. That was like so tiny, like you can't even put anything there. But yeah, guys, time to put in the new gasket. This shit's pretty thick, and then hopefully it shouldn't take that much. Yes, sir. Hopefully it's not too boring for you guys, but yeah.
Let's compare the size.
Oh yeah.
Let's compare the size. Let's see how PRB is compared to the RBC. Ooh! Okay, not too big.
Sheesh.
I don't even know what to compare.
I think it's just this shit.
Right? You see a little more, and this side is like.
Dude, it's hella dirty in there.
It is hella dirty. You guys can't even see it, but like. That shit is pretty crazy.
It wasn't that hard to take out. It just.
Watch us put this back in there. Oh, fuck.
Like, oh shit, wrong one.
Fuck this shit. Make you fast. That's just slower.
Yeah. Alright, so we'll get this shit installed.
Ready?
Hopefully.
Let's do this transition. We're gonna throw this on there, and it's gonna be done. Watch.
Okay. Ready?
Ready?
Wow.
Pretty good.
Wow. Well, nice. Yes.
Plug and play.
Yes, very nice. Look how easy that was, bro. You see how the YouTubers that be like installing shit and then they cut and it's already done? Look.
Yeah, that at its finest. At its finest.
Bro, it works, bro. Like, bro, every time y'all install something, just pull out a camera, point at it, and then cut it, and then it's there. Come on, man.
For real? That
Come
shit.
on, man.
Dude, I didn't even think it was gonna work until we just did it now.
Shit.
Damn.
Damn, it works, bro.
Hey,
it works.
It is.
Hey, YouTube 101,
that shit
guys.
is magic. YouTube magic, dude. YouTube editing magic.
Wow,
what the
man.
fuck?
That's crazy.
Dude.
But we'll plug shit in, and hopefully...
YouTube's the best mechanic.
Yeah, I think so. Chris Fix, man. But yeah.
Chris fixed this for us.
We'll plug everything in, and hopefully the car should start. Alright, let's do this.
2 hours later.
So, we just ate some barbecue, and we got most of the stuff in, like the rails, but we took a stop to Home Depot to get some bolts for these, since The PRB ones are studs, as you can probably tell. And then we got 2 more of these bolts because the other one are studs too. So yeah, and the adapter doesn't come with the studs. So after that, we gotta plug all this shit in, the intake, and we should be good. And yeah, looking good, looking good. Look like a built K20. Never would I think I would have a RBC this year. What you think, man?
I think that if you don't beat me in a race now, you're slow.
What?
You're just slow driver.
What?
Slow driver.
Hey, you're funny, man. We'll see you guys when we complete it and first startup. Let's do this. Alright, guys. We are finished. Guy. Finally! It took about, I think, 4 hours.
Nah, more like
4.5.
more like 10 minutes if you know what you're doing. Come on.
Hey man, you should once you watch this video, bro, it's like Chris Fix, man. We got everything done, put everything on, and yeah, we're gonna go head to the meet and hopefully it'll be popping. Yeah. Thank you, Chen.
Let's turn it on.
Oh yeah, turn it on, turn it on, turn it on. We're at the meet right now and it's popping like a mug, bruh. Sheesh. Got the dead on light with the teeth on. Hey man, what the?
Hey man, they asked me if I want to sweep my car, man. Oh my god.
No, don't do it, bruh. You're gonna get caught up.
By LZ, man.
Hey man, last time they saw you in the vlog, you had the RSX,
RSX, man.
What happened, man?
I sold it, man. But RSX.
Sheesh. Fifth flame guy, man. Hey, where you at, man? Where you at? Where you at, man? Damn. Woo! What is that?
What is that, bro?
Is that the
That's not like a gunshot. Hey, get that, man. Get that, man. Get the angle, man. Get the angle, man. You're tall, man. Would you look at this, guys? Sheesh. This shit's hella clean, bro. God damn. He's bagged and everything. Hey, what are you doing, man? What are you doing, man? I want to see some tandos, man.
I wish you would want the RX one, bro. That shit got nowhere.
Sheesh. Hey, what are you doing, man? Hey, what are you doing, man? Look at Gabe in his natural habitat, guy. Hey, man. Hey. It's like a. Okay.
Got up on my Birkin, it's working. She said she a virgin, it's hurting.
Hey.
Oh, hell no. Let get it, man. Let get it.
Got up on my Birkin, it's working. She said she a virgin.
Grandma. Let's go, grandma. Hey, man, look. Yeah, grandma, that place now, grandma. I'm ready.
Yeah, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it's not too boring, but yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I'll try to vlog more often, and it feels good to be back. You know what I'm saying? See you guys in the next video. Peace out.
You know